Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Are you one of the many individuals living with diabetes who often finds themselves craving evening snacks? Managing your blood sugar levels at evening can be challenging, but it's essential for your overall health. In this article, we'll explore top 3 best healthy snacks that can help keep your blood sugar in check while satisfying those cravings. Wait. Before exploring a variety of delicious and diabetes-friendly bedtime snacks, I introduce you with MedFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Medjool dates stuffed with walnuts or nut butter. Medjool dates are naturally sweet with no added sugar and a low glycemic index. In fact, research shows that eating dates can have a beneficial effect on fasting blood sugar for people with diabetes. They're a good source of fiber, magnesium, and copper, plus pound for pound. Hard, boiled eggs. 1 or 2 eggs for a complete and filling. Source of protein, it is also a carb-free option. So great to choose if you find yourself hungry between meals, yet your blood sugar levels are higher than desired. Cottage cheese with tomatoes. Top 1, 2 cup of cottage cheese with a whole sliced tomato for a healthy dose of protein, fat, and calcium. Since it's so low in carbs and hydrating, it will not raise blood sugar levels. Remember to monitor portion sizes and consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist for personalized advice on managing diabetes through diet. These snacks can be a part of a balanced diabetic diet, but individual tolerance to certain foods may vary. Wait. Want to control blood sugar level? Watch the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.